Here we're asked to find g(f) of a. As I've got two letters outside, I know I've got a composite function. We always start by adding an extra pair of brackets in between the two functions. I leave the outside function alone, in this case the function g, and I always work on the inside first. On the inside I have f of a. Well, f of a means into the function of f, every time I see x, I'm now going to substitute, in this case the letter a. Therefore on the right hand side, 5x in algebra, we know means 5 times x. If x is now a, therefore 5 times a will become 5a, and I've still got plus 1 on the end. This now becomes the input for my outside function. So now into the function of g, every time I see x, I'm now going to substitute 5a plus 1. Therefore on the right hand side I have x squared. Well, I know x squared means x multiplied by itself. If x is now 5a plus 1, therefore x squared will be 5a plus 1 multiplied by 5a plus 1. And I've still got negative 1 that I must place on the end. Expanding out my double brackets, multiplying the first term in each bracket, 5a times 5a will give us 25a squared. Multiply my outside terms together, 5a times positive 1 will give us plus 5a. Multiply my two inside terms together, positive 1 times 5a will give us positive 5a. And multiply my last term in each bracket together, positive 1 times positive 1 will give us plus 1. And don't forget, I've still got the negative 1. Simplifying, i.e. collect like terms, here I have 25a squared and no other term ending in a squared, so I simply write that down. Collecting my single letters of a, here I have plus 5a plus another 5a. They're like terms as they both end in single a. Well, 5 lots plus another 5 lots will simplify to give us plus 10a. And then collecting my number terms, in this case I've got plus 1, subtract 1, or 1 take away 1 will cancel. Therefore my final answer for 2 marks is 25a squared plus 10a.